Welcome to Broadway and Crown ChemDry, your local carpet and upholstery cleaning specialists. We're a family-run, independently owned business, established in 1993, with an excellent reputation for honesty, integrity, and great results. Your carpets and upholstery will be dry in hours, with no shrinkage, guaranteed. And we don't use harsh chemicals, soap or detergents, so there's no residue to attract the dirt. The cleaning solutions we use are safe and non-toxic, reducing the amount of dust and allergens in your home. And we offer a wide range of professional-grade products to help you maintain your carpets and furnishings in tip-top condition. Whether it's a carpet covered with muddy paw prints, wine stains on a rug from last night's party, or melted chocolate on a leather sofa, our cleaning services will suit your needs. Our customers recommend us. Find out why. Give us a call at Broadway and Crown ChemDry.